ENH here with another finished project in Cornelius, North Carolina. We helping this customer to extend the concrete driveway, and then we put a concrete border all the way around this little we added this little stone wall to meet with the brick wall here, and then we did this nice Tennessee pig gravel with some Tennessee flagstone. As you can see, this one is glued and not going nowhere. So we laid this on the side over here. We also extended the little additional travertine patio. So this little path is coming to connect the driveway, but then over here this is gonna connect to the another living space like we did also here. They have little chickens over here with their little path so they can go around. But then here's the thing right here. We did this nice another living space. Okay, ENA's helping to do all this, on and around and around. 5-6 feet wide. With this nice another kitchen. With this nice pavilion, we put the grill. With the appliances, sink, two storage, refrigerator. Then we came around by this way, right here. We create this little nice area here. So if you like what you see, you can give us a call. We provide free estimation, free consultation. So, and then we did this little overhang right here, about 12 inches, something like that, so they can put the chairs. Gas 5 feet outside to outside. So if you like the video, it's 10 times up. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe and stay tuned for more videos coming up with ENA Hardscape. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching and share. And I'll see you on the next one. Have a good day.